Today, I want to show you one airdrop nobody's talking about with a rewarding potential of about $1,000. This project has been ongoing for quite some time, but nobody's talking about it. I'm talking about CertiK Skynet. This project currently is having a funding of about $141 million. But I tell you, no alpha is giving out this secret about this project, because this project is having powerful backend of Binance and many other funding bodies. Let me show you the processes involved in hunting this airdrop. The first thing that you need to do is to sign up on this CertiK Skynet website if you want to do this project. So quickly fill up this email address and your password, or either we sign in through your Google account. And after signing up for this particular project, make sure that you connect everything necessary to your profile. Come here, link your wallet, link your social account, and also you can edit your username as well. Right? Another part that is necessary for you to get this airdrop is quest. There are daily quests and there are some quests that you do according to the time you have. I tell you, there are so many tasks that you can do to increase your SP, and as well have some gems which might later be converted into Skynet CertiK coin in the nearest future. There's some daily tasks here that you need to do, and make sure you click on it and do every single task. And let me work on this one as well. All right, let's just continue user security. It is a learning platform where you can understand everything about the security of your wallet, of the coin that you are trading. All right, so you read. So this is the first question. You can use ChatGPT to lessen your time intake. And so we are done. So this can improve your SP and also the gems that you are going to be collecting. You can continue, do as many tasks as possible as you have the time. This is all for now. If there will be any other information about this CertiK Skynet airdrop, do not worry. I will always drop the new updates about new projects, about ongoing projects every time, every day. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and follow this YouTube channel. Thank you.